Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome you all specially to Speak French Fast Academy and to today's lesson how to ask questions with quel and qui, which means in English what and who. So, first things first, let's pronounce these words. Repeat after me. It's quel. Quel. It's not quel. Many of you English speakers call it quel. Okay, that's English pronunciation. This is quel. Quel, like Kelly. Quel. 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 And second one is not qui, it's qui. Qui. Like just like your car keys. Qui. Quel. Qui means what and who. Now, quel means what or which, by the way, and it is used to inquire about specific choices from a selection. It agrees in gender and number with the noun it refers to. Qui, on the other hand, means who, and it is used to ask about people or individuals. It also agrees in gender and number with the noun it refers to. Okay? Now, let's practice asking questions with quel and qui to improve your French language skills. We're going to begin with quel, which means what. Now, let me give you a little tip before we start asking these questions. When you want to say quel est, when you want to say what is, it is quel est. Quel est. Obviously, you know means is, which is is est, and it's is. So when you say quel est, it means what is. When you say quel sont, it means what are. Okay, what are. You're referring to, you're asking something that has to do plural. So let's get back to our question number one. Quel est ton plat préféré? Quel est ton plat préféré? So that's the question, which means the question is what? What is your favorite meal? Quel est ton plat préféré? The answer is what? Mon plat préféré est du riz. Mon plat préféré est du riz. My favorite meal is rice. Number two, quelle est ta couleur préférée? Like I said in every part of this course, make sure you're repeating out loud. That's when your mouth is going to synchronize your brain to produce what your brain wants. Don't speak to yourself, speak out loud. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? Or you can also say quelle est votre. Votre is also your. Quelle est votre couleur préférée? An answer is ma couleur préférée est le rouge. Ma couleur préférée est le rouge. Ma couleur préférée est le rouge. Okay, my favorite color is red. Next, now this is what are. Okay, I taught you earlier on about what are. Quels sont tes plans pour ce week-end? Quels sont tes plans? What are your plans? Tes plans pour ce week-end. What are your plans for the weekend? Mes plans sont de voir un film et de me reposer. Mes plans, which means my plan, sont à de voir, to see, un film, a film, et de me reposer, and to rest. Quelle est ta série préférée? Very important question. Quelle est ta série préférée? What's your favorite series? Alright? Ma série préférée est Friends. Ma série préférée est Friends. Very important, guys. Ma série préférée est Friends. Number 5. Quel est ton nom? Now, this is another way of saying comment tu t'appelles or comment vous vous appelez. You can literally see here. Quel est means what is. Ton nom means your name. And you can respond by saying mon nom est plus your name or je m'appelle plus your name. For instance, in this case, mon nom est Max. Je m'appelle Max. Number 6. Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Write down and speak out. Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What is your phone number? And the answer is mon numéro de téléphone est, and then you begin to give the number. Okay, 08065054679. Okay, so that's it. What's your phone number? And then that's the phone number right there. Okay. Quel est, again, what is, quel est ton sport préféré? Quel est ton sport préféré? Quel est ton sport préféré? What's your favorite sports? Mon sport préféré est le football. Mon sport préféré, can you see that the sentence formation is not difficult? Mon sport préféré, my favorite sport, okay, est le football, is football. Quel âge as-tu? This is how you ask for people's age in French. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? And the answer here is j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans. I am 25 years of old. Now, quel livre aimes-tu? Quel livre? You can also say what books loves you. Quel livre aimes-tu? What aimes-tu lire? What books do you like to read? And the answer is j'aime lire des romans d'aventure. J'aime lire des romans d'aventure. J'aime lire des romans d'aventure. I love to read adventure novels. Quelle est ta chanson préférée? Quelle est ta chanson préférée? Quelle est ta chanson préférée? Okay, quelle est ta chanson préférée? And answer is, of course, that means what's your favorite song? Answer is, ma chanson préférée est Shape of You d'Ed Sheeran. My chanson préférée est Shape of You d'Ed Sheeran. Okay, my favorite song is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Okay, now we're going to move on. You've learned all about Quel, Quel est, Quel song, plus whatever it is you ask you, what is, what are, alright? Quelle est ta couleur préférée? Quel est ton plat préféré? What's your favorite meal? Quelle est ta célébrité préférée? Who's your, quelle est, okay, quelle, this is Quel now. What is your name? Quel est ton nom? But in this case, let's learn to use qui. And then it is actually also very simple. Qui est means who is, okay? Who is qui est, and then again qui sont means who are. So let's look at the example that we have on your screen. Qui est ton professeur de français? Repeat after me. Qui est ton professeur de français? Mon professeur de français s'appelle Monsieur Casey. Qui est ton professeur de français? Who is your French teacher? Mon professeur de français s'appelle Monsieur Casey. My French teacher name is Mr. Casey. Okay? All together. So you can also combine qui with verbs. Okay, you can also combine qui with verbs, something you couldn't do with Quel. Okay, so for instance, if you want to say who wants, it will be qui veut. Just like if you want to say je veux is I want. So if you want to say who wants, for example, who wants to eat, like in this case, it becomes what? Qui veut manger? Qui veut manger? Who wants to eat? Qui veut cuisiner? Who wants to cook? Qui veut parler? Who wants to speak? Qui veut nager? Who wants to swim? Are we together? So qui veut? Qui veut manger? Who wants to eat? And the response was what? Moi, which means me. Qui fait la cuisine? Just like qui veut is who wants. Qui fait now is what? Who is doing? Who is doing? Qui fait la cuisine ce soir is like asking who is doing kitchen tonight, but that's a way of speaking in French. What they are really asking is who is cooking tonight, because faire de la cuisine, faire de la cuisine means to cook. Answer is c'est ma mère qui fait la cuisine ce soir. It's my mother who is cooking tonight. Quel est ton chanteur préféré? Quel est, qui est, who is, qui est ton chanteur préféré? Qui est ton chanteur préféré? Who is your favorite singer? Chanter is to sing. Chanteur is a singer. Okay? Chanteur, chanteuse if it's a woman. Mon chanteur préféré est Ed Sheeran. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. Okay, mon chanteur préféré. Qui veut aller au cinéma avec moi ce soir? Repeat slowly. Qui veut aller au cinéma avec moi ce soir? And the answer is je veux aller au cinéma avec toi ce soir. Je veux aller au cinéma avec toi ce soir. Alright? I want to go to the cinema with you tonight. Qui veut aller au cinéma avec moi ce soir? Okay? Now, let's look at this one. Qui veut essayer? This one is a very prevalent question in class. When the teacher is teaching and he wants to ask who wants to try, the teacher will say what? Qui veut essayer? Qui veut? Essayer means to try. It's not essayer, it's essayer. Essayer, that's the pronunciation. So, qui veut essayer? Who wants to try? And the response is what? Je veux essayer. Je veux essayer means what? I want to try. Now, this one is the most popular of them all. You ask people all the time, qui est là? Like, who is there? Someone knocks at the door. Someone knocks at the door and you're like, qui est là? Someone calls you on the phone and you say, qui est là? Who is that? Okay, so make sure you learn that. Qui est là means, and then the person says, c'est moi, Brigitte. So, qui est là means, who is there? C'est moi, Brigitte means what? It's me, Bridget. Qui prépare le dîner ce soir? Again, combining qui with the verb. Qui prépare le dîner ce soir? Qui prépare? It means who is preparing dinner tonight. Qui prépare le dîner ce soir? Who is preparing dinner tonight? And the answer is what? Ma sœur prépare le dîner ce soir. My sister is preparing dinner tonight. Ma sœur prépare le dîner ce soir. Number 9. Qui est ce professeur? Qui est ce professeur? Who is this person? Qui est ce, no, who is this teacher? Qui est ce professeur? And then the response is c'est Monsieur Jean. Il est le prof de français. C'est Monsieur Jean. Il est le prof de français. Okay? And then number 10, obviously, is who is the love of your life? Qui est l'amour de ta vie? Qui est l'amour de ta vie? Qui est l'amour de ta vie? Are you repeating? The answer is l'amour de ma vie est Sarah. L'amour de ma vie est Sarah. Who is the love of my life? So that's actually a pretty much concise session or lesson on the usage of qui, which is who. Of course, like I said, you can say qui est, qui sont, whatever, and combining with what? Quel, which is what? What or which. So quel est, quel are, what is, and what are. If you enjoy this class, it's time for you to do the assignment. All you have to do is to translate these sentences using your own brain and based on what you've learned, don't use the dictionary, and present it in your task 1 report later. So the questions you're asking is what? And ask the questions with your, which is with votre. Instead of ton or ta, just use votre in the place of your. Every time you want to mention your, use votre. For instance, what is your favorite song? I'm going to do this first one for you. What's your favorite song will be? Quelle est votre chanson préférée? Quelle est votre chanson préférée? So you're going to do the other ones. What's your favorite color? What's your nationality? What's your phone number? What's your address? Who wants to play with me? Who wants to speak French? Okay. Who wants to speak English here? Who is ready? Who is ready? And of course, number 8 is who is your father? Number 7, who wants to speak French? Who wants to speak French? Number 8, who is your father? Number 9, who wants to speak English here? Okay. And then number 10 is who is ready? Who is ready? I beg your pardon. I think number 9 instead, number 8 instead. Yes, who is your father is correct. Who can, not who wants. Number 9 is who can speak English here. Who can speak English here. And number 10 is who is ready. Okay. So, thank you so much, guys, for an amazing lesson once again, and see you guys in the next lesson. Merci beaucoup.